Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Why should I want to bring I want to be the friend of court because there is the accused today, Mr. Khumalo and others. They were here to bring the application for the relaxation of their bail conditions. So according to me, the previous magistrate who recused himself, Mr. Mahlangu, who is also in my case anyway, I'm coming again on the 22nd of October here. So there was nothing wrong about the bail condition based on the character of the accused they are, you see. So now they want to come and ask for the relaxation of the bail condition here so that they can go back to work. And for them to go back to work, people are going to be harassed. Khumalo and others, they've been harassing the people unlawfully doing the monitoring of the communication, private communication of the people. You see, since he arrived at crime intelligence, Khumalo has been doing so unlawful things. You see, so while I was in prison, I've been monitored. My communication has been monitored. My communication with my family, my wife, my children, my lawyers, and everybody. You see, from Hoshimampur until Sun City. Yes. So even now, in the matter of Sento Mewa, the 5 accused are being their communication also is monitored in jail. That I know for sure because I was with Bongani at Hoshimampur. I know how he was treated. So I know everything. So hence I say, I don't want Khumalo to go back. I don't want all of them. I don't want them to go back to work. Yeah. So the bail conditions set by Magistrate Mahlangu are perfect. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Guys, advocate Malisela Tefo. La khona nje controversy. Uhlezi khona, you'll find him. He is actually in court today, ne, for bail. Yakhumbula the crime intelligence people, including the 29-year-old who became a brigadier overnight, who was from a car manufacturing company, EBMW, but manje say crime intelligence, but akaza yokujuma njengezinye ingane Hamas grant and become a proper SAPS employee, and it's for General Dumisani Khumalo is ulapho naye ngithi. The bail application for the other ones, akhumbula the other accused that were left behind bars, abanye bayithola ibail njengayo uDumisani. So uMalisela Tefo is there saying kakhulukazi uDumisani actually must go back to jail because ngilang khona nami actually I ended up in jail because of this guy. Imagine. All of that now is contradicting what Umkhwanazi told us about Dumisani. Nambe saying, oh, Dumisani, oh my gosh. Gishulo last week, guys. I was just like, Dumisani, oh my gosh, is like the best. Oh my gosh. I'm just like, Tefo is saying other things. Utsilalela friend of the court. Those people actually, all of them that are behind bars mustn't get bail. I'm so sorry, guys. There is some construction going on.